Hello students, good morning. So today we are going to start a new chapter, reaching the age of adolescence. Okay, reaching the age of adolescence. So what we are going to study in the chapter, like the adolescence stage and the puberty stage. So one by one we will discuss about it. Open your notebook and write down aim of this chapter, that is to learn about what is adolescence. Write down keywords: Adam's apple, adolescence, balanced diet, endocrine glands, estrogen, hormones, insulin, larynx, pituitary gland, puberty. Write down keywords: Adam's apple, adolescence, balanced diet, endocrine glands, estrogen, hormones, insulin, larynx, pituitary gland, puberty. Okay, so one by one we will discuss what is adolescence. Have you ever heard this word adolescence? Okay, so adolescence is the time period of a physical, cognitive, social development between childhood and adulthood. Okay, so it is the physical, cognitive, social development, physical development, mental development, as well as it is a social development that will become a child into adult. So it is a transition stage between childhood and the adulthood. It is called as adolescence. So adolescence meaning to grow into maturity. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn about changes that takes place in the human body, after which a person becomes capable of reproduction. Okay, so in our previous session or previous chapter we have learned about reproduction. So to develop reproduction maturity, a child has to attain its adolescence stage, means it has to attain the reproduction maturity. And adolescence is the development that has happened into the child, and because of that the child becomes adult, and after that adult become a that adult attain its reproduction maturity. So due to adolescence there is changes in human body. Okay, means a child becomes adult. Okay, and that adults attain its reproduction maturity. So now that becomes adult one. Getting? So in this overall phase there is changes in the human body. Some structure may increase, the child attain its height, they gain its weight. Okay, sometime there is a physical changes, sometime it is what we called it as, sometime it is physical changes that can easily visible to us. Okay, so all of this is about adolescence. So in chapter 9 we have learned about human reproductive organ. Here we shall discuss the role of hormones that play in bringing about changes that make a child grow into adult. So that overall phase is adolescence, means to grow into maturity. Child grow into mature adult or into a maturity. Wherever a kid starts crossing the age of 10 or 11, there is a sudden spurt in a growth. This shows that they, means a boys and a girls, are no longer a child but are on the way to becoming an adult. So adolescent stage starts from age of 10 and it will end at 19 or 18 or 19 years. Okay, so up from 10 or 11 up to 19 years there is a adolescent phase in the human body. Okay, so whenever a kid start crossing the age of 10 or 11, there is a sudden sprout or sudden drastic changes in the growth of that kid. Okay, and that easily visible, and we can identify that child is no longer a child but they are on the way to becoming an adult. Humans become capable of reproduction after puberty sets in. So between the ages of 11 years and 19 years, children are called adolescents. Getting? Okay. The onset of puberty brings about the growth of reproductive organs. What is puberty then? The human body undergoes several changes during adolescence, and these changes mark the onset of puberty. The most important changes which marks puberty is that boys and girls capable of reproduction. So when the adolescent stage gets ends up, then that boy or that child, means the boy or a girl, they become, means they attain their puberty stage, and that marks the onset of reproduction, maturity in a reproductive organs, means now they are capable of reproduction. Okay, so what the changes that easily visible into the boy or in a girl? That hair grows at various places on the body. In case of girls, the breasts develop in a girls and the region below the waist becomes wider, while in in boys the facial hair, that mustach and the beard, appears in the boys. Sometimes the voice of boys becomes hoarse as voice box enlarges during adolescence. Children gain height, weight and reach the mental maturity and emotional maturity during adolescence. Okay, so again, what is adolescence? And in animals as well as in human beings, they can reproduce only after a certain age or a time period. In case of reproduction also, we have discussed that after the maturity in a reproductive organ, the male or female, after that they are capable of reproduction. Okay, so animals as well as human beings, they can reproduce only after a certain age or a time period in their lives after growing up into an adult. This is because of a changes in hormones in their bodies that make them capable of reproduction. Okay, so again, what is adolescence? It is a time period in a life when the body leads to reproductive maturity and experiences some changes. This time period may vary in a different individual. In case of human, it is from 11 to 19 years. The adolescence period includes the teenage, and therefore adolescents are also referred as teenage as well as they are adolescent. Getting? So look at here, a baby girl, then she, after some time she attain her height and some body weight, then one by one there will be a changes in the body structure of this girl. Okay, and after some time that girl become adult one. Same changes happens in the boys also. A baby boy, then adult boy. Okay, then look at some changes in the body structure of the boys. Okay, so these all are physical changes in a girls and a physical changes in a boys. And why they attend the physical changes? Because they cross their adolescent phase, and after that the girl or a boy, they attain their reproductive maturity, means they are capable of reproduction now. Okay, so next is, what is puberty? Puberty is the time period in a life when animals and human beings become capable of reproduction. The changes that occur in the body during the adolescent age are an indication that individual is reaching puberty. So adolescence means there will be a physical, social and cognitive development that has happened in boys or in girls. And after the ending of the adolescent stage, there will be a puberty. That is the indicative signal that the child is now able to give a reproduction or to reproduce. So the changes that occur in the body during the adolescent stage are an indication that an individual is reaching its puberty. So adolescent period in a boy or in a girl is vary. That is, in a boys it begins at an age around 11 years and ends at age around 18 or 19 years. So in case of girl, it may be 1 or 2 years earlier than a boys. So in case of girls, it will start from 10 or 11 years, that adolescent stage, and it ends at around 18 or 19. So now at age of 18 or 19, there is a indicative changes that has happened in a boys or a girls, means they attend their puberty now. Getting? So it is all about the puberty and the adolescence. So baby that become child, then they are adolescent or teenage, then they become adult. After adolescent, they become an adult, and then they become old. So it is a somewhat, it is a life cycle of the human being. Okay, so it's about adolescence. What is adolescence? The period of a life when the body undergoes changes leading to a reproductive maturity is called adolescence. So growing is a natural phenomenon. Yes, growing is a natural. So baby they has to grow into a child, then it will become adolescent. So it is growing, a growing stage means a natural process. So in between this, there will be the body of the child that undergoes a changes, and that leading to reproductive maturity. It is called as adolescence. So I hope you understood the concept of adolescence and the puberty. So in the introduction stage, I just introduces you the term adolescence and puberty. Please write down related notes and the definition in your notebook. So I hope you understood. Thank you so much. We will meet you soon in our next session. Okay, and into that we will discuss about the changes at puberty. Okay, thank you so much for watching the session.